Hello guys, I'm Halim Kaz. To tell you in this tutorials how to remove permanently iCloud activation lock links from any iPhone's device. Today one device commit my soaps to a bypass. Let's remove permanently without doing jailbreaks any iPhones, that is lock to owners. This device is having the problem to lock to owners. So what's the easy solutions to unlock it? We will see live in this tutorial. Right now we can see here, this is we can see here lock to owner. So without doing a jailbreaks at your home, what's a best remedy to unlock it? We will see live in this tutorial, guys. So here, let's start now. First and foremost, we will have to disconnect and connect your iTunes. Open your iTunes and the phone connect it. So see here, let's have the configuration by virtue of especially iTunes firstly. What's the saying after accessing the data? If it is giving a configuration and automatically it's unlocked, so that's okay. Otherwise, of course, we will see. Yes, it's saying so lost. It is enter the ID and password that's where used to set up this device. We don't know what's the actual ID behind it. We don't know what's the actual password of it. So now, what's the easy solutions? First and foremost, guys, we'll go for open your 3uTool, connect a 3uTool. So this has been connected. We'll tap on a toolbox. In toolbox there, we will click on a crash analysis. And we can see we will go the inside. There are a lot of the file that we will have to delete. So now see all the 8 files that has been deleted. Once again, we will refresh and we will check it out. No file is there. Once again, we will refresh. Second things we will have to here, let it close. Then second things that we will have to here, click on a smart flash, go for refresh options and take it to the recommended version IPSW. So see, one IPSW is asking so that it's recommending that 18.5 either we can download or we can import. So I have already here downloaded. Now we can directly import it. Otherwise, of course, we can directly download. So iOS 26 I have downloaded. So we can unlock by it also. But here if we go the inside, there is 18.6 beta version also is recommended. But we will come with 18.5. So but we will not do here by this because a little bit having an error on particular this device via this due to actually last 2-3 days and there is bug. So I have unlocked 2-3 devices and that's there is an error. But however, we will see by this approach and then we will go with the iTunes. Without touching on this device, I will show you that how do you especially transfer the new Apple ID and password on it without going in initial setups. So how it is possible, we will see. Now third options should we have. Third requirement tool is that we need a especially imaging PC. So let's see. Now it's opening, guys. We will have to connect this. So let it open firstly. Now it's connecting. Finds just we will go for. If any additional device has been connected or ever you have unlocked, so this will be here. So just we will click on forgot option, so automatically it will be gone out. On 3 dot we will have to click and we will tap on it and we will go for forget. Now here we can see this is lock to owner. We will back and check it out. Now see it has removed. Now there is this device that has been connected here. Now here we will come in a show device console and we will clear 8 list 20 times we have to clear. So see 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now after 10 it will notify you guys. So just we will go for here cancels, then go for here quickly. Now almost we have done. Now what we will do, guys, here just simply we will back and we will check it out. Let's clearings. On the other hand, now what we will have to come 3u tool once again on a toolbox. In toolbox there we have a time log here, this ones. Let's clear all the, so almost it has been. Now at least 5 times clear, then click on pause. We'll go for here, okay. Then what we will do, let it cancels. Then we will come in and hit this REC mode. Then of course, let's see on a console options. Here it is. Now let's see clearing. So almost it has been declared. So now we will close this 3u tool. Let me have to close. Multiple apps you will have to actually open in one time, guys. So now see this device the camera, especially DFU mode. We can see all the device has been disconnected and it's not showing here. So just we will disconnect and once again we will connect. So now it has been connected. What we will do, guys, here, we will cut it from here and thereupon we will cut it from here. Just we will come on here. We'll go in our flash options. There we will import the IPSW that I had already kept on desktop. Let's see. Now it's verifying iOS. Now just we will click, either you can download also. So here after verification 100% is, then we will go for executions. If any error will come, then of course we will address by another techniques by virtue of iTunes, so that you will have the much more knowledge. You would be a veteran to the wipe out by addressing all kind of problems. Now see here it has done. This one is not required here. This is already now imported. Select this one. We will select the quick flash mode. Don't select the retain user data. Don't select the anti-recovery and fix plus. Therefore another issues. Now here just we will go for hit these ones and let's see fixation battery during the health of these ones. We'll go for here. Now we will see what are the error. If it is stuck on a 11% or maybe on a 18%, then we will address these issues by virtue of iTunes. Now see on a 11%, it's taking a time. So maybe due to it hasn't confessed in a Apple data and cloud database server this device. So we'll have to address by iTunes now, because see here is having the problems. Otherwise it were addressing this kind of issues. Now see it's taking time, guys. In that condition, what we will do here, maybe due to bugs and by virtue of especially 3u tool it's not permitting, because there is iOS, I think so 26 maybe, or so what's now easy solution for it, guys? Because right now having a problem here, see it's not promoting further. What we can here, see it's in a now black screen totally gone. So in that conditions, what we will do here, just simply we will cut it from here, guys. No solutions from here. So we will address by virtue of here iTunes. So just we will open iTunes and let's check it out. iTunes here, just we will go for here. Yes, we will go for. Now what we will do here, just up volume, down volume, keep holding quickly till it's not going, or exit from DFU mode, guys. Keep holding, keep holding. Now keep holding. Now it's on. Now it's in a DFU. Now what we will do, just click, hold the shift key of your computer, click on a restoration of that, select this, and we will go for here, erase the everything. So now it has started to extract the everything, and further we will see here. This data cable is in front of you, but it will take a little bit more time, guys. I have attempted by virtue of 3u tool, but it was not confessed, it was not accepted in a cloud data. See one thing, crash analysis data that I had deleted all the data from the Apple database server. Second, console clearing and time logs, that data I had cleared from the cloud database server. Now, both I have cleared, but however, it was not accepted in iDevice Management Tools, that is a 3U tool by that. So, by virtue of iTunes, I decide to now do it. So, it's extracting the software. When it will start to restore or preparation of the restoring, then we will see. Now here it's extracting, so we will have to wait, guys, here and see what's going to happen. This is not an easy task, but of course, by virtue of similar there is the multiple device I have unlocked. So let's see now further what's saying and what's are the error is coming, and then we will fix it. Yes, for above 10x recovery mode once again or DFU mode, we'll have to set up that up, down, and leave both buttons. Up buttons, leave it, down buttons, leave it, then keep holding till it's not going in. Apple logo or desktop logo on your iPhone's black screen. If it is going to, then automatically all the iOS software or tool will be able to find out or detect that your data cable has been connected from your phones. Now we will have to wait here because it's still connecting and we can see all the issues are it's working but a little bit slow here. See, I have made a cursor there that it's crossing or not, or if it is crossing then how much time it's taking. Now see, it's crossing but it's taking time, guys. Let's see further what kind of the issues are the coming here. We will see together. Now still it's extracting. Total estimated times can be more than 20 minutes, guys, here. Then you will be able to. Yet 12 minutes I spent on this because I attempted by virtue of 3U tool, but it was a fiasco. So once again I tried by using this iTunes. Let's see iTunes is accepting or not. If it is, then without touching on particular this device, I will show you that how do you generate a new Apple ID and password and how do you transfer on the particular this device without touching. Don't worry, either your device is in the stolen, lost, blacklisted, or forgot your Apple ID password. Someone has it stolen, you have gotten anywhere, then you can compare similar strategy. You would be, or if you are a shopkeeper, then of course it is initial file. Easy way at your home you can. Either it is locked with a screen passcode, time screen passcode. Now see here, it's preparing for restorations. Let's wait here, we will have to wait because 3U tool was not accepted to push further this firmware. Now we are waiting for this. It's going or not, we will see. If still any error will come, so then of course we will fix it also. Now waiting for this iPhones. Let's see, is there written on there waiting for iPhone. So see here what's going to happen further. Still maybe it's having a configuration, maybe once again. Let's see what's kind of the error is coming on it. We will see further. Still it's waiting, guys. Yeah. Don't disconnect until unless it's not notifying you any error. You will have to wait here. We will wait here. Still it's taking times, don't worry. We will see what kind of the error is coming, so then we will address together. Now the see this device has once again gone or restarting, and it's saying the couldn't be because unknown error occurred here, couldn't be stored. That is a 4030. So we will have to fix these issues here. Now it's saying that no thanks, and these kind of the things is having. So here we will click here. Now once again we will connect to these ones, and now we will go for restore options. Now let's click on a restore options. Now here we will have to select these things, everything. Then it will be a going for restoration directly. So this is a clue that this firmware was not accepted. So in that condition, click on these options and this device will be restored and it will directly come on this. So just to see here, if we click on here, then what will happen? This iOS will be verification, etc. And of course it will be. Now here what we will do, just click on here to restoration, select the term and conditions. Now we can see here this firmware bill, it will take a scarcely, half an hour to restoration, then this firmware will be especially. Maybe due to some error in a firmware, that's why it's happened. So now let's check it out further. What's kind of the error or the comments? Now it's scarcely 20 minutes more, it's asking, because firmware was not accepted. That's why it happens, this error. So let's see what's going to happen further. I know these tutorials will be very lengthy, but I'm trying to restore the first link because now maybe error or bugs happens by virtue of 3uTools. So now then trying to be fixed by it's official. So it's trying to download firstly this firmware, then we will go for further. Total capacity of this firmware is approximately, yes, that is 8.59. So let's see, extra 10 minutes we will take it here. Let's see what's going to happen, guys, and how much it will take time to restore us, and we will see further. Now almost 1 GB I have downloaded. Further we will see here. If you are having these kind of errors, sometimes it's a bug or in a cloud database, Apple database, having a problem, then you will have to address by this way. So let's see how much time it will take further. We will check it out and we will address. Don't worry. I don't know the way there was error. Now it's taking times 12 minutes more. We will take that. This is a complete tutorial, guys. Let's see. Now this desktop we will have to close and quickly we will have to enable it. So let's see. Yes, we had a close and we had to open this, so that because it was asking automatically to a shutdown, so that's why actually now see we came on here directly. You can escape from here to that is when online's actually lab downloaded this firmware. Sometimes in a 3uTool database, especially not having good configuration, due to that it's giving error. But what we can here, now we will have to wait here till it's not completed 100% is. Now 10 minutes is remaining. Now almost 10 minutes or 3 GB I have downloaded. Yet further we will see that more 5 GB we have to download, guys. Total size of this firmware is 8 GB. What we can have. The live I'm trying to fix the all kind of issues that we are having here on particular this device. We will see and address. Either your device is time screen passcode, touch ID, face ID, all the issues that you can fix it by a simpler way. In a case 3uTool or Magic PC is not proper functioning, however, you can address by virtue of with the help of iTunes, guys, because iTunes has been developed by especially Apple itself. So let's see. Almost 50% is we have downloaded. Further, we will see here how much time it's asking more. I'm sorry, guys. I know almost half an hour we spent here, 22 minutes we spent, and still I couldn't get any results. 8-minute take here to a complete download, then we will go for further. Now almost 4 GB I have downloaded. Now further waiting. Not that we have a much more speed internet connection on this server, but let's see. When you have a time, then do it, guys. Otherwise, see here. If you have a half an hour and if you execute it and any error will come, so then how do you manage your time? Because according to the issues will come and you will have to go for troubleshoot of this. So I had already cleared, yes, cloud-based data, Apple database, all the data removed, and upon, however, this kind of the issues is coming on not accepting, guys, in cloud data by virtue of 3uTools. So I decided to attempt by, but that firmware was not accepted also here. So now further beware, it is by using often this after downloading. We will see what kind of the errors are coming and how that. Almost 6 minutes we take here from here because 5 GB almost we have downloaded. We can see here more visuality. We have to give 6 minutes to download or to complete download here. Then we cannot do anything, guys. Here what we can have nowadays, I don't know what's wrong on a 3uTool or particular, it's giving error. And if you download the firmware, either it's from any official website, that is ipsw.coms, ipsw.beta.coms, or 3utool.coms, and then a little bit having the problem here, guys. So just I'm trying to download now. It's cell phone app, people by virtue of iTunes. Let's see, however any error will come, and then of course we will try to fix it further. Don't worry, any kind of issues that we will fix it. Yeah, right now it's having a little bit problems in configurations. Let's see. Now further 5 minutes more. Actually you spent here, I have taken 10 minutes extra, but now let's see what we can have, guys. 5 minutes more we will take, so because 6 GB I have already downloaded now. Further 3 GB more we will have to have downloads. Now 4 minutes, guys. I know this video is going to be too lengthy, but what we can have. Now 4 minutes, because almost 6.5 GB I have downloaded. We need a 8.59 GB. So I think 2 GB more we need within a 4 minutes. Now it's downloading. So you should have a data sufficient also on your internet connection, guys. If you are a shopkeeper, then that's okay. If you don't have the professions for unlocking to the mobiles, then be ready for this kind of issues. But you would be a veteran in a one times, not 2-3 times. If you do, then of course you can unlock the any device on any issues, either it is locked to owner, blacklisted, stolen, time screen passcode, mobile device management locked. Now further we need a 1.5 GB to complete download. We will have to wait, guys. Here almost half an hour I spent here, but still I couldn't gotten any result. But live the firmware I had downloaded now, so you cannot blame that I had modified the firmware and installed on the particular device. Almost 2 minutes more we need, and 1 GB data is required for the complete of this issues. Yes, we need 2 minutes more, guys, here to complete download. Almost 7 GB I have downloaded. Now 8 GB I'm going. So now 80 seconds we need. 70 seconds we need to download. Now see, guys, here 1 minute now it's required to complete downloads. Almost 30 minutes we spent on here, guys. I don't know I'm going to succeed on particular this device or not. If any error will come, then once again we will fix it. We will come with the imaging PC. I will show you, don't worry. Until unless we don't unlock, I will not leave at this device particular. This is the last device today to unlock. So let's see. Almost more than 8 GB that I had downloaded now. 10 seconds is remaining to the complete downloads. Now see, it has restarted. Now it's gone. Now see here, we'll click on restorations now. So click on restorations now. See what will happen. Yes, we will go for are you sure, it's asking. See guys, here it's asking. Yes, we will go for. Now we will see here. Now see, still it's here. I don't know what's, it's a processing file guys, no problem at all. Now it's extracting the firmware. Let's see further. Once again it's extracting, then of course further we will go for. We can see here it's extracting file. We will have to wait here. Once again it will extract and then it will go. So see here what's going to happen further. I spent more than half an hour guys, still not accepted. Still see here, still it's extracting the firmware. We'll have to wait guys here. 2 minutes still it will take to complete. Then further this device may restart once again. I'm extremely exhausted guys, but however what we can have, we are having this kind of the problems. Now there is no get rid of it except this procedure, so we'll have to go for. Taking time here guys, what we can. 34 minutes we have spent, still there's no conclusions. Now almost extracting files has been to complete. Now it's almost 30 seconds more to complete. Now files, now see it has started to prepare for the restorations. Let's wait here. Now this device is restarting. See here, now once again it's waiting for restorations. Now see, it's not initiated, maybe any reasons. See here, it's waiting, so let's wait here.